Hey, hello everyone. I'm going to try to keep this video short and sweet. For those of you that are holding on to AMC, I hope this is strong enough conviction for you to know that something big is and should be coming here soon, barring that the stock continues to follow an algorithmic uh, pattern that is strongly established throughout the trading industry. Follow along? If you notice, HMNY, previous stock, along with AMC. Um, you notice RSI, same pattern. We can even continue this from beforehand. Uh, this would be from the beginning. RSI, you can see price action high, finishes low, RSI is low. Does create a double bottom here, but RSI continues to move up and trends up to a high. I'm going to follow along each section. You really get to see it low to high, fall off, low to high, fall off, followed by another little wedge. There are smaller cycle moves within it, but they are all relatively the next pattern that you'll find from this light green to here. Lower RSI, run up, lower RSI, run up, creates a U, creates a U. You have this almost W form. It is ugly through here, but it does occur. This was the first January squeeze for AMC. You'll see the price action for HMNY once I get rid of this. And then the second, this is June run up. Now, mind you, this happened back in 2013, so these stocks are totally irrelevant from each other. Another play here, the big giant sell-off that we've experienced, right? So what happens with HMNY? Peaks, big giant sell-off, and then the most recent peak that we had went up to $34. HMNY had the same thing, and then starts bleeding off, which we've bled off and created a shorter bump. It's gotten shorter and shorter, all probably because of market stress. I believe we're really close. We're in this last section here, and then there's a move. We're going to show you what price action does, because price action, even though it is slightly different, surprisingly, it looks all relatively the same. Traded years apart. You can see this first section, right? Always timing. You know, look what the price does. Down here at the bottom, down here, we got a loop, up, we got a loop, goes down, even creates this weird like ordeal. It's right in here. You just gotta know what to look for, right? And then our January run up, it's very subtle with the stock, very subtle, but the move is the same. AMC just happened to be really violent when it did it. All right, but these moves are Fibonacci wise are pretty extreme. We're talking $200 up to $2,000. So this is pretty extreme. And then you see the same moves, right? And then up until AMC for January, the same thing, moves up to the next fib level, and then a big huge sell-off. That's because that's all they can do, sell-off, right? Boom, and then 34, we just saw it right here, and there's going to be a bleed off. So you know what? Hold tight, everyone. Hold tight, because when it does unfold, the one that we talked about a couple weeks ago, where Trey said that yeah, there might be a $300, $400, $500, whatever number it is you guys think it is, there might be try to get us to sell deal, and then rinse and repeat. Um, if it does play out like this, it's hard to not believe that everything else prior to has been matching. Why else would it deviate from whatever pattern they want to ride with? This may occur, and shortly, long after, I won't say shortly, but within X amount of time after, and a much bigger amount uh, should occur. So everyone, that's what I got. I wanted to keep it somewhat short. Hope that's it. Um, Hold tight, everyone.